Hi friends, welcome in the ERP SAP team channel. Today I will show you how to upload multiple data in SAP, how to enter multiple details in SAP. Okay, so for this I'm using the transaction code FBL1N. Okay, I am using the transaction code FBL1N. Okay, and for this I'm going in the dynamic selection and 1017. Okay, this is my circle code. Okay, and this is my company code. Okay, so click on this multiple selection. In SAP there is a multiple option to enter your detail. Okay, select single value, select range, exclude single value, exclude range. Okay, so if you want to enter your single data, enter here. Multiple data, manually enter here. Select range from 1 to 99. Click on here. Okay. Exclude single range. Click here. Exclude range. This is here. Okay. And for the entry of the multiple data, you just click on upload from the clipboard. Okay. Upload from the clipboard. For this, I'm just going in this Excel sheet. I have prepared my the vendor code detail, electricity vendor code detail in Excel. Okay, I just select these details and click on the Control C. Okay, click on the Control C. Again, go in the SAP dashboard. Okay, in FBL1 and vendor line item display and click on the multiple selection and upload from the clipboard the data of Excel sheet which I have prepared in the Excel sheet, copy it. Okay, and once I click on the upload from the clipboard, all the data will upload here. Okay, all the data will upload here. Okay, all the electricity vendor account number will automatically upload here. Okay, click on the execute, click on execute. Okay, now I'm just want to check open items at key date, open item at key date. These are the fuel vendor detail, the fuel vendor supplier which are working in our circle code 1017. Okay, now I just click on the execute. It will take few minutes. See, all the 45 vendor which I have entered here, open item till today date just appearing here. Okay, this is Indian Oil. Okay, this is the vendor code. All the all the details will appear here. Okay, all the details, HPCL, IOCL and BPCL. Okay, Indian Oil, and the amount that is open nowadays 78,487.22 rupees. Okay, now you can easily export this data in a spreadsheet. Easily you can export this data in the Excel sheets. Okay, click in the desktop 1017 fuel. Okay, allow, again click on allow. See, now click on the save as Excel. because now in the MSTL format, see, the vendor wise detail is now available here. Vendor wise detail is now available here. If you want to check all this detail vendor wise, then click on the pivot table, vendor amount in the local currency. Okay, see, what is the amount in the local currency? I have entered the 45 vendor detail, 45 fuel vendor detail, but open item is pending for these few vendors, these 10 vendors. Open item is now available till today date is for these vendors. Okay, what is the omit amount is 1.87 crore. Okay, so this is the method how which you can check the multiple data. How can you feed the multiple data in SAP through clipboard? Okay, if you really think this is useful video, then press like button. If you're still not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon, because if you not press the bell icon, you will not get the update for my latest videos. Okay, and do not forget to share with your friends who are really working in the area of SAP. SAP is a very widely used platform in the public sector organization, private sector organization, and government sector organization, because this is safe and secure platform. Okay, and this method is frequently using uh, method to upload the multiple data from the clipboard. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.